See, look, he's making a run up the stream. You see that one fish?
Yeah.
He was just fighting to get up the stream there.
But that guy has one.
Yeah. A couple people have one. Look, 2 or 3 guys have them on. This is the Salmon Run, Ontario.
That one's fighting. Where did it go? Yep, there it is. Just imagine myself falling in.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Lots of salmon here today, guys. Down at the Salmon Run.
There's a lot more. There's fun.